Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite mutuals on Partiful. So this right here is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an upcoming event and you want to invite mutual friends. So I've created here a test event, and now in order to invite someone, you can either copy this Partiful link and send it to them directly so that they can respond going, maybe, or can't go. Or you can click on this invite button, and then once you do, these names here are blurred, but you could actually find people by typing into here based on recent attendees that you've shared events with. So by typing into the search bar here, if you start typing in names, you'll be able to find mutual friends to invite your party to. Likewise, you could actually go ahead and copy the link again by clicking on this button here, or you can click on add context and then send the invites that way as well. But with Partiful, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite mutuals to your event. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.